Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the sway bar links on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Okay, we got the wheel off, and this is what the sway bar links look like right here. This one is another one on the other side. This is what the new one looks like. Just make sure it matches before you start taking anything apart. And it's just two bolts, one on top, one on bottom. That comes right off. This is the original suspension on this 2005 Camry. And as you can see, this shock looks like it had better days, and the car does feel kind of floaty when I drive it around, so I might change everything. But the reason I'm changing the links is because every time I hit a bump, I kind of hear like a rattle or some kind of thumping back there. So I'm gonna change that. They're cheap to change and pretty easy. So okay guys, we're using a 14mm socket, and what's gonna happen is this. You're gonna turn it. Nothing happened because this thing has been there 15 years. So what you need to do is grab something, just put it behind it to hold it. There you go. So you got the top bolt off. Just gotta get the bottom. Alright guys, I put another jack underneath it to jack this up a little bit, just to get some of the weight off of it. And this should have no tension. It comes right off. Alright, so that's the old one. Just gotta pop the new one in. Alright guys, so we got a 15mm wrench right here. Okay. And this is going to be a 5mm hex. So what we're going to do is just tighten it up. And the middle one just holds it in place so it doesn't turn. Just put it on good and tight. Alright guys, that's what it looks like installed. Simple. Now the hardest part might be taking the old one off, because sometimes you may not be able to get this off because it's all rusty or whatever, so you might have to cut it. Okay, but other than that, it's a simple job. So we just got to do the other side. Make sure you do these in pairs, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.